Hi, this is Zev Braun with Dominic Fonte Associates, and I want to introduce you to 635 Durkin Way Southwest. This is in North Canton, Ohio. It's really nicely tucked away on a private cul-de-sac in the heart of North Canton. Super convenient location, and it's a villa. If you're not familiar, it's a freestanding ranch home, but it has some of the amenities that you'd have with a condo. So they will take care of your lawn mowing, your snow removal, landscaping for a small fee every month, and that way you can spend more time enjoying your place. Maybe you like to go visit other places. It's a really nice opportunity. So this ranch has 1,554 square feet of first floor living, including a first floor laundry, master bedroom with its own master bath, and a master closet as well. And there's awesome vaulted ceilings that make it really open and airy and let a lot of natural light in. It's on the private cul-de-sac, so you got really nice backyard with, you know, not too many neighbors or anything like that. It's pretty private. But if you are interested in learning a little bit more about this, set up a private time to view it, you can reach out to myself or our team at 330-933-3258.